Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, we have the formula in here. 2 sin A cosine 8 equals to sin 2x. So capital 8, that is about 2x. Now, we need to transform this one into this one, and we have sin 4x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus 3 cosine 4x. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one, we have negative number 4 sin 4x. So number 3 and negative number 4, we have negative number 12. Because we don't have negative number 12, we need to divide both sides by this one. So this one we change by u. Sin 4x dx we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. This one, we have negative number 1 over 24. About u, that is about this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.